Hi, good morning. Good afternoon. Classroom 3 today. We are doing activities under um, May 28th, 2020. So for ELA, social emotional, this is on the new packet I sent yesterday in the email. So May 28th for ELA, social emotional. Today you are going to ask your child to draw pictures of what he or she does daily. Ask them to tell you about the picture, write it down, make a book. So you just have your child draw a picture book of what he or she does every day. And that could be, you could have the child draw a picture of, taking a bath, washing teeth, eat dinner, eat lunch, whatever the child wants to do to show that what he do or she does every day. For math, you're going to do find shapes. You're going to point out the shape of objects around you. Ask your child to find and count the size and the angles. Name the shape. So if you have any shapes around you in the house, you could have the child look at the shape. I tell you what shape it is and count the size and the angle. Or if you want to do the go on my YouTube page, and go down to the video I made about shapes, you could have them use that video and tell you how many size, how many sides or in angles that shape have, or what shape it is. So you could do that also by using the YouTube channel, and I would email you the name of the video. Now, for science and social studies, I Spy. You could look outside and note a few things you see. Make a list or draw a picture of these of these objects. So you just have the child go outside, or you could look outside and ask the child what do they see. To see, say, I spy a what? I spy a bird. I spy a car. I spy a tree. And you can have the child even select to list to write down the list of things they saw outside or draw pictures. And for physical activity, ball in the bucket. With your child, practice throwing a ball into a bucket. Invite your child to move further and farther away from the bucket. So it's just a little basketball. If you have a bucket or anything that you could throw that could go inside a garbage pail, a mop bucket, anything you could have. You just have the child throw the ball in a bucket. If not, if you don't have a ball at home or maybe have a hard ball, use a ball of socks. You can make a little ball with socks, and you could also have that as a ball to throw in a bucket. So that's the option you can do for physical education. So that's all the activities today. Again, here we go in Espanol. Have it. And that would be it for today's activity. Enjoy your day.